What's up, mobile gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into mobile games and want easy tips, tricks, and ways to improve your gameplay, you're in the right spot. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future guides like this one. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple hack method to get unlimited cash in Jurassic World, the game. No need of any special software, just a quick hack tutorial that actually works. So stick around, follow along, and let's jump right in. First up, we need our user ID. It's important, so don't skip this step. Here's how to find it. Launch Jurassic World the game and head over to your settings area. Look for your unique user ID, usually a mix of numbers. Make sure to copy or save it somewhere because we'll need it in just a second. Got it? Cool, let's keep going. Next, open your web browser and go to this site. And this platform has hack tools for a bunch of different games and apps, but we're focusing on Jurassic World, the game unlimited cash hack today. Use the search bar to find Jurassic World, click on the search result, and you'll be taken to the generator page. Super easy. Let's move on to the good stuff. Now you'll see a short form. Don't worry, it's quick. Just pick your platform, Android or iOS, and enter the user ID from the first step. Double check that everything's right, then hit the proceed button. The tool will now link to your game account. Give it a moment. It's totally automated and secure. Once it's connected, you'll see the resource options show up. Select how much resource you want, tap proceed, and let the system do its thing. It'll encrypt your request, use some stealthy tech in the background, and get everything ready. Might take a minute, just hang tight. Almost done. Before it can send the resources, the site just needs to confirm you're a real player. Usually it's something simple like downloading a free app and opening it for a few seconds. Takes just a couple of minutes. And if you're unsure what to do, there's a helpful tutorial video on the site that walks you through it. I've already gone through the whole process, so I'm not repeating it here, but trust me, it works. Once you finish the verification, your resources will drop right into your account just like that. Now I can focus on playing and having fun without constantly grinding or running out of stuff. And there you have it. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, go ahead and leave a like and share it too. Got questions or ran into any issues? Drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in the loop when I drop more tips, tricks, and game hacks. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gaming. Catch you in the next one.